You Ghana this year. You don't board yasi. Say, okay. And then so actually no me na. O my Ghana that's what asumdwe na yenti boni bia. Na Ghana and so this year the world country mu nyina across the world obia ho ye. Na yenti boni bia. Ene de ebedidi e ho nkomo kakra bi. Ene Ghana celebrities no. Ene ebe mu bedi nkomo kakra. Yebesra mo say baby o man ekono all hands on board ebe hia omu nyina amwa ebe hia omu nyina contribution se na be ya campaign aya sha ase aye no ebe tima sha ase tima so ba se o hwe caption na me caption me say the black life matter campaign no the ma ahode ba mu kese pa ama lead to massive reforms respect to kwanya abrofo efa so treaty ebi before and as African Americans no ha omunyina aye baako edi eni eden edi odo eni akokoduo sorry mu say no baby an eme ekoso wa America no say ye blacks no ye tena ha na ye democrats ene republicans ya enkofo wi ebekoso okunkum yin da bia enti enja democrats ene republicans na ye no because ene ye the two major political parties here ha said the Obagana ye MPP ni ndis no enti ebla the black celebrities no omu say no a Black Life Matter campaign ye sha se ye ne nyende by sense yankasa black na ye sa campaign na say yankasa ye dominating in this campaign no ye divided into no ye for close to many years now but ye nya results bia every single day be every single week be a month be it's like the can na ye nkwasiasem nipa tuntum ku an egu so ye kunye wa America nti omu nyina hu se no ba bia de ne kono de ye nja se ye democrats ye nja se ye republicans na ye nti ho ase se ye African Americans. It is obedience coming here bibini and no matter the first me Democrat and I say no matter the first me Republican obedience ka bibini a men so am ye bibini no or the nesa coming nti me hwe se bia dodo no mo ye campaign ye Democrats nti me ye Republican me counter campaign mo nyina unite together as one and omo de one common voice and sorry say no way no more killings of black people in America again nti the lives of all the celebrities no the lives of all the celebrities of America and they all united together and until a lead to massive reforms right now. Our police act America the police act bill now George Floyd the police act bill no I did massive reforms about police no so policy citizens no our George Floyd no say was Senate anymore or deliberation omunya pass about the law. Now the point is say ebane sen and mutumu achieve this huge success. The NT and mutumu achieve success we na say omu jai say omu blacks no omu acheche omu a we say me a Democrat we say me a Republicans and omu united together the likes of Jay-Z, Beyonce, basketball stars no NFL omu nyina stars no musicians no obi biara omu nyina ba together omunyina aba together nto behwe America I do baby omo bebo basketball na ansa na be hye abo basketball no na players ni na kneel down omunyina kneel down e dey signify ayawdie George Floyd of mu ansa na owu no nto omu unite together and more sorry with one voice and one power and we make sure say there is no way we are going to allow it say obroni beku bibini police ni broni beku bibini abla obeko score free abla yenye hwe omu united together omu stand as one omama kwan amma two major political parties here America Democrats and Republicans entimu infiltrate omu campaign na omu person omu stand together and a lead to success and asoaba and etima achieve results wa yankasa na nsenche ye ntie George Floyd case no police ni odi sanse hono de nyina yehu sentence ya ma juries no motena se no omu nyina ebua police ni for say dia why no why nya blast mo chese kokodem is the first time in American history is the first time in Black Life Matters history but the entire wait mo buy and say before nyina kan bo mu ba ko omu de two political parties no Democrats and Republicans ni to baby and omo dwen Americans na ho and omo dwen African Americans na ho to omo ye ba ko omo kan akasa ba ko e ka say no more are we going to sit idle to watch this white policemen intimidating the black people no the results were bad see am no ka say the George Floyd police act no e was seen it in any say omo pass here police for intimidate bibi na bia o okrum omo intimidate omo basa e okrum ha bi nti lead to results e sense omo nyina timu unite ye ba ko enche na yankasa your neighbors Nigeria your sister country your brothers no your sisters enche na Nigeria please na hwe de omo ankasa de omo nua Nigeria for Nigeria place for intimidate omo ankasa omo nipa tuntum how ye Nigeria ni omo chechi omo tata mlanche ne maya no and Nigerian celebrities ni nyina Nigerian celebrities no in the movie industry Nigerian celebrities are more footballers. Nigerian celebrities are more all sports and field. No, Nigerian celebrities are all more all field across Nigeria. No, united together. United together. Nigeria so called said you MPP near this no said you America you Democrats and Republicans no Nigeria so called your major two political parties are more dominant to Nigeria but the sun says celebrities in alpha campaign and your politics we yank us your opposition now we yank us your proposition you know no we united together as one can end SARS now no at much maximum results say SARS no etimu twa e Nigeria na rehosan se brana sa asas we campaign e koso no and SARS na campaign na brana e koso no ye nya some Ghanaian celebrities ya no mo ti Ghana ano mo support de e koso Nigeria ye nya Ghanaian celebrities ya ano mo ti Ghana ehun se de e koso Nigeria ya de bone a se e koso e neighboring country na se yankasa ama di wi ntima ende na se bi be soro Ghana yesu ntimu enya ba bia mfa yitimfa nti Ghanaian celebrities no do na sorry any Nigerian celebrities they united together to make sure that the End SARS campaign it can flourish on the social media. They make sure that it can flourish on Twitter. They make sure that it can flourish on Facebook. They make sure that it can flourish on Instagram. They make sure that it can flourish and it can stand and it can create awareness on all the social media platforms. That's leading to the fact that End SARS now is a child Nigeria. Sisi amanoka say End SARS now a child Nigeria. Sisi amanoka say Black Lives Matter omo campaign no it sounds say before no air shoe political omo the politics ni to nchen omo the politics ni to nchen no mo united together as one omo forget Democrats omo forget Republicans omo kan boom say we before yam fight making sure say yam koye nua tuntum bia America ya bia no leading to maximum results Nigeria dey no celebrities ni na timo ye ba ko leading to results as say yan kan SARS so ase mo Nigeria bio enti me man Ghana eni die ma me man Ghana ye celebrities na dey be na mo ye e dey twa ye ka for your loyalty no Ghana celebrities eni die mo a e dey be mpa na mo ye dey twa ye ka for your loyalty say you follow mo use you follow you no e dey master world mo use you follow you no e dey nya advantages any opportunities be your life no ye Ghanaians na you follow mo ama ye popular ye Ghanaians na you follow mo bebre be 500,000 followers ebi o 1 million followers ebi o 2 million followers yeah you follow mo ama ye popular a place mo in an advantageous position etimo mo nya advert etimo mo nya access to many things yanka say you follow mo ye nya access to say yesu say ye menwa ye dene yesu say niema enkoyi o Ghana inti campaign na yeguso ye ka kira ban fix the country no campaign na ye yeguso ka kira na ye pa na ma cho say o mon stop ground say now no Ghanaian celebrities must stand and say Ghanaian celebrities must stand and saying Ghanaian celebrities a dear ben amoye a dear boa face the country now campaign. Ghanaian celebrities a dear ben amoye a dear support to stop galamsey now in Ghana campaign. Dear ben amoye dear boa. Ghanaian celebrities a dear ben namoye dear boa. Into following a dear mamu. Mamu to my popular. Mama be a hit across the world, across the globe. Obi any more celebrities no. Yeah, you follow mo. I'm making most popular no. And then you won't trade. Isan say yensa say ene ye ho kire isan say yensu say ene ye ho kire isan say enko fa ye mobodum be dia den ene ye ho kire because Ghana ye den enti mumu celebrities na yen ordinary people ye to data and making sure say beating their follow me on Twitter ye to data and making sure say beating their follow me on YouTube ye to data and making sure they be follow me on Facebook ye to data and making sure say they be follow me on Instagram ene ye ho kire yen ya ye to data nyamo na moto data mayo ya ye to in data ena ye dom na ye so mo samo ye Ghana for nti ye pesi push mo said the Nigeria for push mo de nti ya ye to data e di push mo no ene ye ho kire yin sika ye di beto data ne e bi ni ho ensuo ayetim nya ayetim de ye adwuma e de mfa so de bibiri timo brain me yitin de support mo ensuo ni na essay ye nsa ase ni na essay ne me nyina ye basa wo Ghana nti Ghanaian celebrities ye real world amodi man say mo disappoint ye na madan mo chi a kire Your real world what do you mind say? Mashada aye political, mashada aye bipartisan politics ya campaign aye mashada ko jisi carefree baby. Na celebrities kakra money abro money ada on person making sure say they will stand for Ghanaians and we can't on message. Nti Ghanaian celebrities. Any day mo aye pa macho. Mon dwene Ghana for you. Eye yenti na mo ho. Eye yenti na mo ho. One guy said blood this sensitive issue was started in Ghana, the gay and lesbian issue. Na obiye can be no. Also, the moment Michael Essien or pass comment Ghanaians and Yanja one close to almost about 600,000 people no and unfollow no. You see, Michael Essien on your popular view leverages any opportunities, any advantages, and only free following him. After so many of Ghanaian citizens are more displeased with the comments, no, and unfollow no. So any popularity in Ako. So now our sponsorship will be loose. So now our advertising contract will be loose. So now we use the platform at the end of the economic benefit will be loose. Into Ghanaian celebrities. Yes, Remo, Adia mo you. Sa muchra ya kasa air course or Ghana, mon fighting wine. Na yenya one voice, ni abahan and kasa say, Ghana for muchrom. Niema enko yo Ghana, niema se o Ghana. Into abahan soil waka, na said you say and say, or barbe fix your problems, no, unfix it. More celebrities now, be support you, na money eba, when I campaign with Munina Kamanotum. Munina Makamatum. Not the lives of a fear or more your mass sacrifice beyond all also say. So Wumo and Komo on best support to face the country campaign, on best support to stop guaranteeing campaign. Mubi Mako GDC free politicians, more celebrities and movie, Mako GDC free and a more counter campaign. Into me question Bibi say Ghanaian celebrities, more loyalty, is it towards the politicians? Is it towards the Ghanaian chief or is it towards the people of Ghana? Where is your loyalty lying? The Ghanaian celebrities, where is your loyalty lying? Adia mo you. A dear Ghanaian celebrities more than ye, and nothing at the lives of Nigerian celebrities no. Or multiple push your more to understand say, Masha say, winning international awards or more Ghanaian celebrities, Muntimu maybe. Because more loyalty and yet always ye follow mono. Mono yen, mon junior home. Dear Munimu say a full Musam Maya Popla. I'm a moment mania to the sweat imagine, Mujan Concourse, Timutim, Mutim, when you be a follow me into. Na yes way follow mo ye to data di follow mo ya yes I am lady follow mo ya yes I am lady treat me mo popular ya yes I am lady ekon to come mo FM so TV stations no and na ye ho kire yen and na ye back on campaign and ye pa mo say mo meta ye ti na mo support your campaign no ye making sure say Ghana will work, better system will be built in Ghana na en work my Ghanaians ning na ye nti mo sika ni nti mo popular mo ni so nti mo follow mo no mo se mo nkasa di mai and am I din Ghanaian celebrities adia mo ye mo hwe yi o sa akode adia wo ye hwe yi o eye Ghana for ye na mo aye sa akode kai ani die mo sa akode with the greatest of respect to you kai baby a wo sha se free sa akode with the greatest of respect to you kai baby a wo sha se free Stone Boy kai baby a wo sha se free with the greatest of respect to you Stone Boy kai baby a wo sha se free wa shaman ene hwa setena ni abrabo ene atete e koso wa shaman nti Stone Boy wo so be di won kasa because of the who so kasa be kasa we politician o kasa be kasa e bia o support campaign ti bia politicians amon bo ana say di ntina mu nyama yedin Ghana celebrity di ntina ma yedin nti Ghana nto fu akese ko dwantwi nom ne motete wode na moye adi ntina mu ntimu kasa mo Ghana for because yeah ordinary Ghanaians ye ni followings bia ya no elu badwam nti e kasa abane de yempoase ya no sin ye nkan ya no ntum na kasa tenten ho ntimu ntoponko but more celebrities na ye nyina ya ba ko follow mu a more close to 1 million views, more close to 1 million followers on Twitter, more close to 1 million followers on Instagram, more close to 1 million followers on Facebook no yeah yama ya popular ama mo nya voice no ade na voice ni tumi na ye de ama mo ntimu fa nkasa ma ye na ye follow mu no ade critical time a ye hia mo ano ade na ntimu nkasa ma ye nti Ghanaian celebrities nti mo ne Ghana info no enne Ghana ba ye ba ko at the expense of Ghanaians ye follow mo because the bia me can say me say so be sing dan na ni para we sing dan no okoto kraman se kraman mla betene fie na ne dan na we sing no o men wan dan na ma no se na be ye oni ho okọ adwuma kronfo ba kraman ni betima po kronfo no na kraman dia create awareness se na be ye ne neighbors ne tia o be hu se intruder abafie no motima ba be sebu fie no the moment ya kronfo be ko fie ho na kraman ni be hu kronfo no na kraman betima tena ase ya hwe ha ma kronfo no kwakọ wia ne manager de anase ni wura de abra kraman ni mpo anase abra kraman entimu nya de bi en create impression bi anase entimu nya de bi en set alarm. It means say adiana konfo ne ba be wiam kraman ne wo sales wom. It means adiana konfo ne ba be wiam kraman ne be nya na chafa. It means adiana konfo ne ba be wiam obema kraman ne bi Nti the Ghana celebrities and more try and say, more come on to say Ghana for your muncheri because you know begam. Nti a campaign na ya ban se kasa tenten top on corner ya no sin yan kan nti nko do ba bia na be kasa ye beja no. Momo Ghanaian celebrities na mo ye dia mo se mo nka bi man no. Ka mo nka bi man na se kire ne say, mo ne aban na ye ba ko. Nti either said the aban dia ama ekom de ni abrincha ye kasa mo ne aban ni di. It's either said niema ni benefit abano wo nyanti o nko na benefit o life wa ye ho kira ye kasa no mo so munya sa benefit ni bi de mo silence na ma ne kire say ade biara na manfo de ye mo de say nsase de say yesu mo Ghanaian celebrities no mo ne na manfo ye adwene ene mo ye ba ko na ye ka kire mo say mo hwe yi o mo hwe yi na say ni de mu abrabo mu no say o foro atwede akosoro a bra wo foro atwede akosoro no bo nse na ebinim so esane ba fom e bra wo foro akosoro no omu ahu se omu sana ba fom se ble so na se osu sana ba fom obi so mo ofro kosoro nti Ghanaian celebrities mu hweye ade a mo ye ne said all of a sudden Michael Essien ne simple comment on gay and lesbians and the team lose close to 500,000 followers on social media no the same way na mo so meet lose here as followers the same way and na mo so meet lose here as followers because you following na ye dia mo mo di make money Modi make money. You follow we na ya mama. The ordinary Ghanaian or MTN mobile money. Eto data. E making sure so be follow Sarkodie. Eto data. E making sure so be follow Stonebwoy. Eto data. E making sure so be follow Shatawale. Eto data. E making sure so be follow Kojanchi. Eto data. E making sure so be follow the lives of Lewen on the Kwakumenu no. Yen Ghanaian youth na ye mo chire ya brabo ma ye dia ye ka che mo se mo ya bo ma pejamo amoko jina on mo jina pedestal so am betin mo voice any mutumi akasa ma ye follow mo nka bi ba no mo se mo nkasa. The Ghanaian celebrities most of kasa. Until we says how fix the country campaign into a political campaign. Say yes, sir, a say Ghana brabo yedin. Your two petrol mun amaya to be BBM until brabo yedin. Niaman kuye o Ghana, a Germany Ghana. Until ye pa bana chose said you say and boss or Baba fix problems. A banon kite boss or the mine. No on fix problems na mine. To Ghanaian celebrities. Most the entire campaign among cabina montage and one voice in mun you do say the air and political. Until Ghanaian celebrities. Fix the country campaign and your political. Ghanaian celebrities. Sarkodie, Shatawale, Stonebwoy. Until your campaign aye. Until your political. Campaign aye say Ghana for being a set papa. Aye political. Okay. Ghana celebrities munti mi wo say ni issue mam ade amode ye na ye ya enti ama ye mu bia ye wo abuchira ye mlante ne ma ya sha ase ye kekan ho bom say mu de Ghanaian celebrities na san tokwa wo ya ye kon nka mu tinde mo ho jim bia ka be mi yetima nya no ni tumi e be mi yetima nya fertile grounds etima gina so say na be ya ban ontimu look down on your campaign no say na be ya ban ontimu undermine your campaign no say na be ya ban ohun loopholes bia your campaign mo mo se mo mwae no Musa Ghanaian celebrities the enti amose mo mwae na say mean say mo se ye mo ye di ntro na Ghana ye na ye mo ye di ntro say Ghana enye the first mo se mo mwae na kire say Ghana ye na ye ka say Ghana ye ti aba na fix ye ni abrese ni man koye o Ghana nti ye pa aba na cho so on fix e na mo celebrities mo ye di nti the enti mo ye di ni kire say mo se ye boa Ghana ye pa na ya she di ntro say Ghana ye enti na mo se mo mwae no good nti say yam pa say Ghana enye na ye kasa sa aba na ye ma ye and I'm also money abana ya say Ghana ti yen shut up nyen kan ntuma e fi ne koye be hyase amonita mo Ghanaian celebrities no manya na afofo bi manya na afofo be miensa e bi ma fi na fi New York me na afofo amene mo Washington youth ya hyase ya kekan ho bom other state ni pa hyase e contact me through WhatsApp other state ni pa hyase e contact me through email other state ni pa hyase e contact me through my YouTube channel no say youth no aye tete abuchi no aye kasa sa ban nyen hyehye pa se de abuchi bi wo ho no na Ghana for won to ma ban se onye no mo celebrities mo se mo nka bi ma ye no youth na aye tete abuchi no Ghana for mlante na ma aye tete abuchi la ye be won hyehye pa kwesi buni aye ma na de hye ne bi before te say yen aye person ka bi ba Ghana mo se mo nkasa e make sure sa ban be san hye no ye be hyase e monitor mo celebrities no if you know who celebrate biara wo te Ghana wo se Ghana hyehye ne ye Ghana system ne ye the Ghanaian economy is good Ghana has good hospitals Ghana has good roads everything in Ghana is working into face the country now campaign a lies a falsehood a detractors a opposition a yankophobia or more parochial interest in no yes campaign most celebrities are most support e ma solidified voice and fan kasa any abaning negotiating abaning yen pama no if you know celebrate biara o yere and our girlfriend e ben yensen a be wa gensa wo de ne ba America Washington yes ebe shase monitor sa de we mo celebrities na mo se Ghana ye na mo de ye kan nya ye bonti en shate up nyen kan ntum no se Ghana ye de ne afino ko mo make sure se mo yire no mo nyemwa se mo mpranfo no nyemwa mo betena Ghana ho awo mo ntie ne ye pa ye ni se Ghana system ne ye ni se Ghana any good hospitals ye ni se Ghana maternity ward ne maternity system for women enye good nti ye kasa se ne nyina ntimo nye ye enye generalize emma all women in Ghana se na be obi akọ hospitals obetima wo afa no afa na ba so bi ma bla ye nya infant mortality rate asembia na ye kan mo celebrities mo se mo nka bi ma e because ye kan ye lies na Ghana work Ghana ye good se Ghana ye de ye celebrities no mo ntie message ye send them obi biara ne mpana we celebrate the lives of Shatta Wale, Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, all the Ghanaian celebrities. We movie Kodyon Kansala Wenko Menu, whoever, Obi Biala o ye, Ebenyen Saint, Obi Biala Ompana, Ebenyen Saint, Obi Biala Oma, Ebenyen Saint, I'll be what so best sponsor than other American. Say, me young TSA, the state of Washington, Aoba. Ama wo yere na ba be wo a ye youth na ye Ghana for ye wo the state of Washington ano ye kekan ho bo se be sha se meeting mo airport no ye campaign atiam because ade yakoso ye nya bro ye nya campaign we nya agro ni yedi o campaign we ya maso nya agro ni yedi o ye pesi making sure that for once and for a time Ghana will work nti ye mu bi nya se bi ye ni dumadi o ye nya bless ye pesi making sure that Ghana be work ye pesi making sure that say pa ye hu na buchere bi be Ghana nti mo Ghanaian celebrities am mo se mo nka bi maye no me catch them say youth ye Washington high ye Ghana for say me nya me nuanom for am yo makasa Menyame nuanam fo mo ye Ghana fo a omu nyina support campaign we amenyo makasa ya adwen se fi no ko celebrate biara ye bete se wato take it e de ne yire ama se de ne girlfriend ba America Washington se ne yire ne mra be wo ye be make sure ye be meet to airport wo ye be placards ne ya kire gu so go back to Ghana and give birth ye be catch se ko back to Ghana na kokko because wo catch them say Ghana ye who catch them say Ghana will better systems. Who catch them say Ghana will better hospitals. Who catch them say Ghana will better roads. Who catch them say Ghana will better bridges. Who catch them say Ghana will better schools. Abla ye kase nyema na nyaba na ye create awareness ye twi abana ye si so say nyema nko ye nti abana emma na nyimra fo no nyema ye no wo celebrity na wa no ye follower wo close to 2 million followers on social media wo wan ka bia ma yen abana nka ye hia mo a na nka ma ye voice mu ye duru se na be nka politicians no ontimu luku da na ontimu take advantage of us no ye kai o celebrate no one why because say Ghana ye he say Ghana ye de ne fi no ko nye wa dwen da se be ba America ba be wo say Ghana ya eni efi no ko nye wa dwen da se o ba America ba be wo say Ghana ya efi no ko nye wa dwen da se o ba America ba be wo nti ma ka kire mu the state of Washington ya sha ye kekan ye hubom other state na so ebi mo ho ma sha ye contact me mo celebrities no mo Ghana politicians no mo Ghana mpani for Ghana hemfo na ye kasa man enye mo mani mla for na mo mfese o man mo so man ye okay bibi there is nothing wrong with Ghana nti mo mfese hwe no ye kasa no ye be kasa nkonkusi aga kasa tenten toponko ye be kasa ye bla ye be jan no se mo adwenye mo se ye be kasa keke ne ye jade a mo nti de ye be ya ye tete abu kira ye pese make sure say nhese pa e be ko so Ghana no ya sha sha ye kekan hubo nti any politician bia any celebrity bia any ohini bia ohima biara obeye wadwen so obabu kira babe wo obeye wadwen so obabu kira babe wo ye ni tumi a ye de be stop from Ghana se memma ye ni say tumi no but tumi a ye won say ye be shia o airport won ye campaign etia wo say Ghana ye nti go back to Ghana na kokko wo say Ghana ye nti go back to Ghana na kokko sa akode the lies of Shatta Wale munti sa asema ye kan ye pa ne nyabre because you won't say who will be to say wo Shatta Wale. Can you imagine or single tweet I'll bet tweet about face the country campaign or single tweet I'll bet tweet about stop guarantee now can you imagine the impact it can make but Shatta Wale wo ti America na wa ba na say woni hwan wo ne na cars na wo show na ostentatious lifestyle and extravagant lifestyle top pressure man blanty unnecessary and na wo ti America na de cheche YouTube no abra wo ni say YouTube mo follow wo ma ye wo Shatta Wale no YouTube mo ko so follow wo ye wo Shatta Wale no omoti Ghana ekomo bi omo ho kire omo ye campaign anka wo Shatta Wale obitima kan bi ato so nka mi na waka wan otum Stonebwoy wo so nka bi na waka wan otum because wo ye musician ya mo aye popular ya mo aye one of the favorite artists in Ghana and in Africa o yere ye doctor nti wo ho nkire wo abusuafo wo extended family wo nuclear family obi emu ho kire da nti a shaman for omo ma wo ye Stonebwoy omo ho kire omo nkire na wo mfa ho Stonebwoy de ye ka kire se kan na hu se Twitter oh 1 million followers ya enye sebi we extended family enye sebi we nuclear family follow Ghana for yen na ye hu kire yesu se kabima ye na boy na ye ye follow amoye popular This is Stone Boy. Ye campaign we are in also won kabi. Ye campaign we are in also for no to be because won find one. Because a person was standing as neutral person they be uncalled you also did. Because celebrities more excuse any reason. Maputu across nti mom ema mom from monje campaign mo se mo person mo stand as neutral nti mo gina as neutral wo a on can be ma face the country campaign no wo a on can be ma stop galamsey na campaign no but also a on can be ma ban no also a on can be mo hina na so gina finfini but ye nim se mo boa nim finfini na bo gina yen ye nim se mo boa enyim finfini bia na mo gina is either say mo support yen and as mo support aban na sa hanfo no nti the first mo support yen na mo can be ma yen na mo ma a single trait about face the country na campaign no na mo ma a single trait about stop galamsey na campaign ni kire say muni abane na ekọ nakala na kire say muni abane dampa ba ko so kire say muni na nanoma hanfo no dampa ba ko so nti de ye ka kire mo Ghana celebrities ne say ade wo ye amoye ne sa wo sa wo ye matwa to no ya ye tie buchi ne be ye close market ye be chance ye close market mo se mo ye mo adwen se mo ba buchi aba be yesu a ye de protest any demonstration be sham wo airport ba bi e ko nipa ni abre se mo se mo moaye ma ye nkoso nkasa magana fo nya moto a se mo ye mo adwen se mo ba buchi aba be bo show e de be pesika ye be making sure se Ghanaian community na ye youth wa person ye kasa na Ghana timo ye na nhyehyɛ pa eba Ghana ye be making sure say ye be share mo airport ho ye be making sure say ye be join together say ye mienu o say ye miensa o say even say menkompo me pe plaka kese na ma twere gu so if the Ghanaian system is working go back home na kokko ye show no if the Ghanaian system is working go back home na ma yere no konko if the Ghanaian system is working if you are having better hospitals in Ghana then go back home with your girlfriend go back home with your wife go back home with your mother na mo konko wo Ghana hospitals na mo see ye no because the hospitals na ya enka mu nyane mba ha emfa mo yere na mo emma se o mra mewo say hospitals na you good e we in better condition they first class ya enka mo to take it and risk everything say mo full plan ababu che say mo yere na mo mpana fo emra mewo nti Ghanaian celebrities na ye ni abra ye kasa ye tififiri mo se mo moaye no Ghanaian celebrities na mo se de ye political nti mo nka bi no mo be gina mfimfini no mo nhwe yi pa na yen ya mama ye popular ye be sha se ye on follow mu na se ye sha se ye on follow mu on Twitter ye sha se ye on follow mu on Facebook ye sha se ye on follow mu on YouTube ye sha se ye on follow mu every social media platform mo videos na mo ye mo music videos na mo bo ketwa no mo de ko to Facebook mo be jim crofom gre Bim Nation fans mo nti mo do Stone Boy e che o man Ghana Bim Nation fans mo do Stone Boy e che o man Ghana Bim Nation fans mo nkai se mo di Stone Boy e che Stone Boy oti Range Rover mo na mo tete moto so mo tin di moto hwe asna mo tin di moto hwe asna mo pra na be gina na ma kakra bi no rescue life kwa nti Bim Nation fans mo do Stone Boy e che Ghana mo so mo nti mo ma Stone Boy pressure said the air cost no nka bi mo nti mo ma Stone Boy pressure said the air cost no fa na ho nji bi no so ye nipa na de share tia sama eble wo Shatawale she said yes so pa wo Shatawale hwe so Ghana for ye dia mawo hwe popularity Ghana for ye follow wo Shatawale ye dia blew hwe wo sika ayetima boa hwe blew wo Shatawale hwe o music video de to YouTube app se na esi kokko hwe se na esi subscribe to channel ma wo ye popular enya musika na ya ye follow wo ya ma wo ye popular wo nye sika ya ye nya bi no ye ho kire ye nso o sei ye nya better schools emfa ye manko ye nya better hospitals emfa ye manko ene ye yire no nko ye nya better rules emfa ye kan faso Ghana ne nyina ye basa adwuma ni Ghana bibi bia ya tutum na se ye pa cho se mo nsore waka na mo mfa mo tumi no ye follow mo mfa mo follow we no ama mo ano no ama mo voice no mo fa nka bi ma ye na mpanifo no adwem no se se nkrofo no campaign no nyantofo no nyina de mo ho agye mo se nkrofo no campaign no movie stars no mo nyina de mo ho agye mo na amatumi any momentum back campaign so bia e betima koso abo aban ni jare pressure am wetima tran to so yetima ye ne maye but mo nyina mo se mo mwaye because mo nyina mo nya contract if you are mining mo se mo mwaye because mo nyina mo san kofo we ni ministers no omumma ene omo yire no edi omo birthday mo no mo frem na wakwa konya so mfa so nti yen ye follow mu mama ye popular manya ba bia gina obi api obi na bebo nhwa no afrem no ye yintimu nya mfa so bia mfiri mu so nti follow we na e dia ma on Twitter no follow we na e dia ma on all social media platforms no e dia be mfa so pa na dia ble Ghana fo wo Shatawale follow we na e dia ma no e dia be mfa so pa na Shatawale wo dia ma followers na so dia ma nkran fo wo sakode hwe ba bi pa ani die ma sakode hwe ba bi pa na wo hye hwe ba bi na wo hye hwe de Ghana for a mo se ye nyu bia ne yesu mo se mo nka bi man no hwe ba bia Ghana for ye pagya wo sakode free ye ba bia de wo ba bedru sakode mo nka ye o mo nka empanimfo se ati ye ma refie Ghana celebrities mo nka ye o Ghana celebrities mo nka empanimfo se ati ye ma refie mo nka se sa brana na mo nyu bia ne ye ne mo nyina na ete fom ho sa brana na mo nyu bia no ne ye ne mo nyina na ete fom ho ntina de ye experience bia mo so mo experience bi ntina ye kasa mo kasa bi but ne de mo tete range mu ene ye namfom ene de mo tete Chrysler mu ene ye namfom ene de mo tete G-Wagon mu ene ye tete Toto mu ene de mo tete Benz mu ene ye tete Texas mu nti ye a ye follow mu amoma ye popular e fam free fom ene mo be si nkoko so no na ye ho kire ye ne ye se e pama tow mo voice mo to me mo following nti mo kasa keke en support ye campaign no ne ma ba na dwe no ase mrante na ma ye omani abere o omo pesa mpampa hyehye pa ne nsa san yetim ba Ghana o won sisi nkofo we nyina ba bedi mrante echi mo se mo nka bi ma yen mo se e common koso ne yen mo se ya bla bon koso nsei mo se mo de mo ho atom mo yire no mo ma mo live good life nti ye be kun ye hu o ye be hye ye hu o mo mfa ho Ghana celebrities ade am ye mo hweye se mo hweye ya sadi we nti na da bia Nigeria fo e be koso aye popular than you ade we am de ye no ye no nti e na ama Nigerian celebrities no omo ye popular than more Ghanaian celebrities na ye sadi we tia ye we na ama Nigerian celebrities no omo ye popular time because Nigerian celebrities omo found be bia Nigeria fo apege omo do no bibi esi omo ba form e be bo omo krofo omo ba form e be bo omo followers Nigerian celebrities no en found be bia Nigeria fo apege omo do no se emergency ba se de na no South so Nigeria omo nyina ye ba kon ka say end South now without being political and check within 1 month na South etwem aba be a thing of the past Black Lives Matter America na de na politicians na na sha brofo no omo ye omo tin tete before ntam ye say before ni be ye Democrats ni be ye Republicans nti bi no kan Black Lives Matter na bi no so omo ye before omo ye Republicans no omo kan other ways nti omo say no nkofo wo yakoso agini ya nti omo ye to politics na ntontwe ni hu say ye patuntum se me nua bi ye tuntum na we Democrat se me nua bi ye tuntum na so ye Republican se me dwen ho na me hu say ono na ye so ye me priority dan se me ka se me ma be party abe me priority no nti ye nya ba ko na yenye campaign tia sankofo we ni ye make sure sense sai pa e bitima ba America omo ye ba ko die ni edene eye sa campaign no se si a mano ka say won say George Floyd say wo na wo ye from the policeman no o jump konso no ye nya results ye jealous a policeman enka bi nsi da se nkomo ntima unite ya enne sa adwuma di no mu die omo unity no e the massive police reforms aba a police reforms act he said ye did George Floyd din after so e wo America Senate ni ma enche mbe pass the bill into law I did George Floyd din or African American and ye din out to law so it tells you what unity can do it tells you what a people with a common goal with a common voice can achieve nti Ghana celebrities ye pa macho ye mo boda mo wai mo anka se monim se niam nkoye wo manim when was the last time we mo show Ghana celebrities mo kan kire me when was the last time we mo show because nipa ni sika ni nipa botum emrante na maye ni edum mo ye nti mo nwense mo nkwa mo ho atom wo Ghana celebrities mo nwense mo nkwa na mo atom wo ade mo ye mo hwe yi o because most of my followers no aye ni abless ye kasa se Ghana yi ya mo se mo nka bi ma ye mwaye no se ye koso tete na ye koso kasa na empanimfo ye nti because empanimfo na ye kasa kire mo ye di obuo ni di kwanso kasa kire mo ye kasa na ye betima kasa ye nti mo nku mo yenti mu ntwa mo sekan yenti mu ntwa mo tuo eye kasa ya na be koso akasa ni ya pa mo atwa se yesere mo mu ye mo bo nsalam la fom wo no mu se fom wo ni pe bre nti mo meboaye ba ye be koso akasa so mo kasa mo moya yenti mu nku mo yenti mu nyo mo hwe yenti mu nyo mo hwe but mo nka na mo hu se sa youth na omo follow mo a omo ye Ghana fo a omo ye mo followers sa ba na mfie na so mo hya ase so mo tie atwa saban na mfien na so mo hya ase so mo rise ya na ebi ni mo dane an robes ya na ebi ni mo dane akonfo a mo nyina wo benya impact wo musicians wo benya impact wo celebrities wo benya impact wo the Ghanaian chief wo benya impact wo politicians wo benya impact wo nti yes mo sa akode Shatawale oni sombo ese mo miensa kra mo di mo kabom na se mo treat ba ko pe massive changes ebeti mo dia bagana no sakode Shatawale any stone boy se mo mutimo eschew mo political views no Se mutimo show mo individual differences no se mutimo ka bom. Na mo yema dwen se Ghana fo brɛ wɔ fom ho. Nti ebe ba ko na yɛ ka bia ma Ghana fo a me sense sa ye betim dia ba ene ahoden ene momentum a ye betim dia ma sa fix the country campaign we no. You cannot imagine. Se mo yema dwen se mo be support ye keke wo de mo fa se wo de mo nkasa. But mo de mo writings ene mo tweet ene mo comment keke ebe support ye on the social media and no be ma abane matena se. And we say no nkofo we eye ba ko ti yen soro waka na yen hye. For all these years ade nkofo we dey BT united, so we say youth no we are not united. Ade omo dey BT omo dey aboye for all these years na no because some say youth na nkasa ye ni abla yes ye pense san no at the same time ye Christ ye pense san no ebi mo so Christ no ye pense san ye bia sister ni you okay, so we don't need to change anything. Abla ye ni abla Jesus say adwuma ni ho no kakra na wanya adwuma mo ye omo didi no omo so kan say no enya no Christ adwuma ni ho na woni adwuma ye me dem adwuma ye. Oh, the course of Ghana. It is hard this unity, we know, so unity na into my youth and temno, and my intimunya a common voice, and fan counters our politicians. We, and me intimunya a common voice, into fan counter chiefs, no, our boy and chrono. Intia Pamacho Ghana celebrities. Mon sorrow wakana mama from one of my boy. Ghana for be a yamwa. Me say, sir, and SARS now campaign their course on Nigeria. So celebrities now from one demand came to and did that. And SARS now campaign their course. Demonstration na cause route no and a revolt na cause on Nigeria no say Nigerian celebrities na ntima anya ba ko amfo mo hanjima ka ntimu ntwa say Nigerian celebrities na ema politicians no any local police na ntimu infiltrate omo etete omo ntem and e bi different na e bi so kaseti ha e bi different na e bi so support wa and ka ntimu and this house no da but it sense omo nyansa mo say no Saucy and go for more children, more of more from who follow ye, or we followers, or we Nigerians. In TFI apply, Yanfa in music career, Yanfa whatever is making us silent and Yanfa Tontan and Casama Nigeria for. Now you make us a police, maybe that's intimidation, I course on Nigeria. Omuna yeba Concasayano, South no, abeye a 10 of the past. Say Oba America ha, Black Lives Matter, Ababeye one of the formidable human rights organization. Nobody can undermine or nobody can look down on because blacks in high back. Blacks are more basketball, blacks are more soccer, blacks are more NFL, blacks are more movie. They said be high back. Or more the politics are talking America, they say Oba America, or more politics no time change Ghana. America, more politics no time change Ghana. America politics no partisan change Ghana. Almost two places I said they will be Ghana. More politics no time. Bibia Democrats because say be Republican for CMP. Bibia Republican for because we be Democrat for CMP. Until the year in Ghana MPP near this the same thing in America. Until two political parties we know. Now omo African Americans in them and omo divided African Americans into two. Into African Americans they believe me Democrats, African Americans they believe me Republicans. Into more Republicans and mostly no almost support white police and even those who are black here police no intimidate on one can any new to but the first or your Republican or share Republican view or support to a police for some intimidating you to and most blacks and we Democrats and more fight say no, this is not right, this is injustice, this is inhumane, we cannot tolerate this in this 21st century. Until a bit more fight it now blacks no a business of air support. Until we say no, ya also is hard we are Black Lives Matter campaign into more achieve single results. Until you enjoy politics no, uncle for we be wearing the matiti. Now yen come mum say before. Yen come mum say African Americans. Yen come mum say before. Yen ma kwine ma kwasi bunin for politics and right in enkunkum enyusu the place and fan kunkum the pattern to you. Omu nyansa mo sorry ye back on. Me say Black Lives Matter is a shall achieve results for America. Black Lives Matter no ashasia achieve results e wa America enche ye hu de si wo Minnesota the city of Minneapolis ye hu de si wo police no ye hu sentence ye man and I said the American the massive reform nankasa law no be govern the place or more activities towards black people no and I said to work every American no so bill no ye the George Floyd ya African American dinner to bill no so we seen it in the here. So it tells you what unity can do. It tells you what unity can do. Inti MPP ni ndisi no ma shase no mutuma infiltrate youth no. Nti ye nia bra ye kase we say asema make atem didie pa ne comment ye beba no enya gro atem didie pa ne comment ye beba no nti we be say nti die ben bone pa na maye e die bone pa na make nti ye menwie bia o ya brantie make say onim die Ghana wo mu sisia o ti Ghana e fili Ghana wia no o feel Ghana unemployment situation no, o feel Ghana bad roads no, o feel Ghana car kwani na ye mfutu no, o feel Ghana ay ko san like authority, o feel Ghana hospitals in adwuma, o feel Ghana schools na bogus no, e ba ne se na say youth meeting ba mas e ba ade we yase be di matem. Abra de make na me selfish interest nti na me dey kan o. Me ka se na be yin bit manya setna fefe. Nti 8,000 say we the youth we are not united. Kakra ye ni abra ye kasa se ne mamla se san ye mla no. Bi nso so ni abra o manya bibi di nti no. De mo be di ne net ni o ti no mo ye fu nti no. Mo so kasa say no. Ghana, you're okay. Ghana is not sick. Ghana is working. So nothing needs to be changed. It is rather the Ghanaian. It is rather the youth that needs to change. Look at this. Hedia kosi you. This is a kosu say ya. A better pa na kasa ye kasa tin the results aba. Nti man fa sha se e bi se bi same. Minia ma sha se kasa. And we kasa wa, and we kasa wa, and we kasa wa. Dia results na jaba. Mu be kasa ma 10 years aba en fa results dia ma. O ma sha se send me message kan sa na kire me. You to nankasa shall say me message I can't say say ye pa yen kasa nsukoto mo janse san ye bi e ma Ghana. You to nankasa o. Ghana for nankasa ye nia bra ye fight mo ma shall say e send me message. Say ye janse hu na fire blame na ye say social media ne fa ko pa de pa bi nye. Na ye kasa ma 50 years ko ban san ye bi e ma Ghana na Ghana ye okay. Ghana is not sick. Show. She ye ko so Ghana ho. Ti say pa ne be kwa. E be de pa na san ye to ma Ghana. Nti se mi bisa se freedom fighters ni na no. Ye campaign we are in the way forward anything. Freedom fighters no campaign we are in way forward anything. Because kasa tentene en top on ko said one kasa edidi atem no. Mo se ye kasa su koto moja kora hwe nsesa. Nti die be na ye be ya apart from kasa. E die be na reformers no. E die be na liberation fighters no. E die be na freedom fighters movement e betima ye. Despite ye kasa no. Enu nti na meka say yan kasa ye tiabuki no. We have taken it upon ourselves to say politician bi o se Ghana ye nti ya o mo mfe se Ghana no. Celebrity bi o se Ghana yinti o mo fese Ghana no so ye na de so babu tiri aba be wo a me to the state of Washington say me tese sa politician no say me tese sa celebrity no the state of Washington o de ye e ba so mo na me wo the state of Washington o sponsor slave queen bi so mo na me wo no menya access to America better system no any $250 na be tuam America kwa de bia bo so me na me say youth mi rupe na menyo mo America no mo ye Ghana for menyo mo na be ba ko ya pack placards ni a twire gu so go back to Ghana to give birth. You better placards in actually so go back to Ghana to make sure the system will work. Politicians say the same placards in the airport. OBP airport in the pay the chance. Master politician, what say Ghana systems in the year? Master politicians, what say Ghana hospitals in the year? To go back to Ghana for your medical condition. Go back to Ghana to visit Ghana, the Ghanaian hospital. Don't come back to America here. And chair your London, Nigeria for ADB year. One of our ministers. Ghana for we are too draw. Ghanaians, we are too draw. Meaning they are here to draw. Ghanaians are too draw. Please arise. Obaya share video. Obaya share video. Ghanaians are too draw. And Chai, the city of London. Nigeria from penny for about communities never call ye corrupt or 1% Nigeria by Edman or Bar London. I'll call Nigerian High Commissioner. I will London on Nigeria for Eku try embassy no share a year campaign and make sure say but I be about some minister different Nigeria by no but I come back to Nigeria about want to much with about time. Sa video with the social media. Sa Nigeria for campaign on mo yeti o wanka some ministers ya o person Nigeria by adwuma o mo yara no mo dwana ba buti no mo make sure say akwa no onya medical attention bia o land no mo make sure so person come back to Nigeria. Ti say ya eti abuchi ya sha say the be your politicians no. Ya eti abuchi ya sha say the be your celebrities no mo so mo nkasa na campaign we bit ma sha say abuchi. Nti mo amu bi sam say after kasa no what next no mo amu bi sam say after kasa no what next ne say you to na ye Ghana for a table chene be shasi akeka yin obo me manya nipa be nsi o ma contact me manya ba ko the state of Washington na o mo maka so mo other state nti be shasi afo mo network ni am make sure say anytime bia ye beti Ghanaian news mu say Ghana minister bi e ba hospital ha anytime I bet you Ghanaian news mu say Ghana celebrity be Ghana ministers na yedum bi Ghana celebrities na mo yedum e ba be wo ha no ye be make sure say the placards ba ko show mo airport ya twere gu so kase say o mo nko back to Ghana no make sure say na be work no mo just mo free Ghana e ba ayare hwe no we make sure say we back on that campaign nti mo amo test me na mo threat na wo be kasa yin konko si Ghana after kasa na wildness na dey make kire no ye ni abre say campaign we no we are never gonna make this campaign die without achieving any results. This campaign can never die without achieving any results, without leading to any substantial changes in Ghana. It will never die. This campaign needs to achieve a result. This campaign needs to lead to massive changes and transformation in Ghana. This campaign shouldn't die off like that. This campaign shouldn't die off like that. And internet yenya bless celebrities no mo meka bi ma yen. Na momentum emra campaign na yen back ni. Ti mi serem. The Ghanaian celebrity no. I hope say message no. Me put you across no so clear. You can never take us for a joke again. Ye ntimo nko so follow mo ma mo nye popular. Mo ntimo nko so enidi ye following no. Mo ntimo nko so benefit from ye following no. Na sa asem to ya. Ye hu kire na se komodie. Na ye nsu osei ya ka kwan nye. Emfutu age Ghana boso. Ghana nkwada enye nkonya ntena so sukuu dan mu. Eni sukuu dan papa. Nkwada ti nuase suade. Nkwada braba e basa ye nsu ye ne mponche ni mreche na endom Ghana celebrities munim wo Samini wo fi northern region. Samini wo fi northern region. Wan kasa kwa na nse bi na so ye farmer. Samini wan kasa woni masetena. Sebe ye ni die mu am yan kasa me nua no northern afo me ka ho bi. Woni masetena ye nem wo northern region ho. Hwe awia ebo wade hye e wo northern region ho. Hwe awia ebo wade hye e wo northern region. Samini woni die ko so northern region. Se usia o fellow northerners na usia ni patanya emu ba ko pe na ye adwuma emu na eni adwuma ye. Woni die ko so northern region. Na wo Samini campaign bi ati sei anka obetima stand as an ambassador for the northern voice nanka wetima kabi nanka bana wo se mre aso sense saye bagana e mre aso se nyema sha se change wo Ghana wo Samini wo so nkasa because be ye clear blana ye electioneering campaign is okọ jisika ye campaign ma party bi ti se wo so work out so nkasa ti Samini wo nkasa no o pese okọ so benefit from ya ye follow no o pese okọ so benefit ye hu kire ya ye tie sika eto data ye dom no ye pema semuntini si ni sika we botuma yetimu free MTN mobile money yetimu ko bobo sina wo MTN mobile money na ye to data ni de follow wo Samini ye de follow no nuanam because of say ye dom ye pese ye promote mo na mo mutumu ya kese se Nigeria fo nti na ya ye tie sika race sika jebo sina to data follow mo no ye hu kire ye adwuma na ye yetimu nya bi de to data de follow mo no ye nya adwuma ni bi nye bi o nsu aye betima no yetimu nya hode de follow mo nya nsu pa no ya ka kwa nyina ye ba se mfutu age Ghana bo so Ghana ne menyira esai na mo ye ne mo tim no amunim de ekoso mo se mo nka bi ma ye but no pese ekoso follow mo mo nka bi ma ye but no pese ekoso follow mo mo nka bi ma ye but mo pese mo ekoso benefit from your followership you following no any die ma celebrities nye da bia na be koso agimu sa o any die ma Ghana celebrities no enye da bia na be koso agimu sa nti se ne ye ba se ye on follow mu nyina ye ko follow afi odo a ye die following ye ba ko mo afi odo because say you so I class on the way na nim say or can be my face the country campaign no or you selfish or you selfless person or you selfless person wa kai the Ghana for yama no if you or kai say we free America ba Ghana no most of the following no 90% ye Ghanaians if you or kai say the ordinary Ghanaian no or ye kaya yi the ordinary Ghanaian no or push it track the ordinary Ghanaian or ye truck driver no the ordinary Ghanaian ye taxi driver no the ordinary Ghanaian ye power no the ordinary Ghanaian service be wonti wonya ha ban adwuma no the ordinary Ghanaian ye farmer no or pe ono na sem se afi odo na ye pe na sem ye dom nti ye follow no na ye follow na ama wonya platform bi etima gina so nti obi timu tua $5,000 per advert ma afi odo e woni page so ye na ye afi odo sa ye Ghana for ye na ye afi odo sa ye na sa no wanye bu ni aye one year selfish said the Stonebwoy Shatawale Samini any other celebrities na if you black guy say no me popularity ya menye no e Ghana for the dear money platform here me jina so ya Ghana for the me be jina so because omu nyina decide say omu nyina be on follow me na me lose me leverages na nti o fi o black guy yen say ya ye te from ho no ye na ya mana ye popular nti wa kai yen say yesu na se ye tiemu se ye nsu se ye nsa se na se komodie na se nhye Pamela Ghana na ye ka kwan nye mfutu age Ghana boso nhye Pamela Ghana onu afi odo ebe firi soro ho esana ba fom abeboa wo na wote fom wa ye follow no ama wa ye afi odo ti afi odo aka ye ti afi odo Nyankopon hyirawo afi odo Nyankopon hyirawo se be yese ne ye nhye campaign na se ye mpeda campaign mu se ye nyina be ye be on follow the lives of Shatawale ni Samini and Stonebwoy no ne dey follow ni nyina brewa we will do that to make sure so betima close to 50 million followers between close to 35 million followers na be betima nya ba bi etima gina e back critic say youth na ye wo from why you follow me nya mo ne ho kire ya voice a nyina ye dia ma wo because ye nyina ye ntimo nkasa at a time nti ye mu se wodi kan tu na mo bi ni ye nyina ye be di wo kire ye voice ni ye di etumi ye di ho di nyina ama wo nya voice nti voice na wo nya na person de kasa di ma ye keke nti e fi o so wa ka ye no wetima sana ba from na o ka bi ma ye na o make sure say obekoso ma ba ne pressure be use platforms na ye dia ma wo no am make sure say ba ne be hu say o mo te fa wo ne bre no Fiodo yen so ye nyu mada. Fiodo yen so ye nyu mada. Ye beko so follow. Ye beko so follow. We make sure celebrities no ye hypocrite, or ye belly fool, or di or monjo mo te for. We will follow them and we'll give you that following. We'll make sure that we'll do that. Tim almost celebrities now mo te Ghana mo se mo mfa ye ho. Mo se mo nka bi ma ye ho. Because idea we are any energy I exert no. Millions of youth from Munina sorry Munina ye video be a kasa senses I any reforms from Ghana. Celebrity ba ko pebit my side my way na mai. But mo se monye because Munina mo ye political. Munina mo ye assigned to one party or the other. Ena mu didi, te muti mu didi ha. Muti mu didi ha. Nti mo adwene se campaign na Ghana for ye political. Said they make an political campaign ye yo. Adi we are ye no. Say entimo achieve results wa because me dey minimum say said the Ghanaian government no musi stubborn because Mahama penso ye hu bi wo Mahama penso say oh ye dead goat Mahama catch say oh ye dead goat okura thick skin or ye dead goat okura thick skin ntu tu mpa enka no utu na duru mpa enka no udi na temu a onte o kan asema na so asi onte oh yes ana na say Ghana for no ha you hu ani guase aye de man no abato no the same thing Mahama ye pam no na do so by wansua lesson bia also buy any DM one another one senior lesson be the Mahama can ya. A ma Ghana for ye bufu ya ye pam no ye chase no back to position. Nana do buy oh ye west. Ya kasa we see the can be a winty to understand to say one making sure say more and back on propaganda campaigner and go for ya shas ye video much as ye target ye e ka kire say pa yensu koto moja de ye kan nkongo siaga ye pa yensu e ma so emra from changes bia e ma Ghana timi sa bro na ma bi se mu bidi good. Sabrona na mayama bi somebody head amase yintimo ntwe atuo any weapons so bia your weapon na yesi ebekasa but mon ka na mu say enche in the next 3 years ahead of us ye be say to about 2024 ye youth no ye be hwe momentum a ya building ye hu say MPP ni ndi se mo wa ye betima sponsor a candidate ye youth no ye betima ye contribution especially ye youth na ye tie buche no ye wo youth mo tie buche mo ye Ghana for mo school BB credit doctorate BB credit ne professorship degree. Or more church in most of the American major universities now we are very intelligent, being inventive, being innovative, being genius. Oh, Homa political party, yeah, even American promote politics, number politics or Ghana, but they want to see the country Ghana developing. Yeah, you tonight table chain, and the Ghanaian home base you to now more sponsor this campaign or more fight for this campaign or more making yourself away from about Ghana. Even a bit maybe united, need to sponsor a candidate like that. Now ye youth now ye two about my one person and I was saying, but say oh bad for the youth no. Ye the vote for the man, the ning na kwa sign independent candidate no. I'm making sure some who MPP in this no, you be even free Ghana history no. Enti campaign na yamaso nya grow ni yedi o. Campaign na yamaso no. E bia bedwen say e kasa nti emfa hwemba. Good. Because the American say e military no, ama say army no. Any PJ campaign we yanka nya kasa. Omo mo tamatu anu mo ko Fast House. Omo tamatu anu mo ko GBC. Ye CC government no. You see we are in control, but we are not army. Yenye navy. And yenye air force. What we are doing is we are being citizens, loyal and respectful citizens, speaking truth to power. We are not spectators. The bit my England, the weapon is a bekasa. Intimate every apart from bekasa respectfully. But see a casa intimately lead to reforms, any changes, any society, Papa or Ghana. Going forward, no, I foresee say ye because building momentum with this movement to understand to say be you be or your credible leader or your visionary or your transformational. You be in the support a man as an independent candidate. You seek out tamechi. So me fight no me Ghana kunya no free MPP in this. Nti mu amasha asia mo tweet na mobile inbox na mu di atem no. Going forward no, that is a vision. Going forward, that is what we are seeking to do, and we are never going to stop. We are never going to stop. Yenjai se base ye mu bi yungu e wo de mu e bi because tie obi a odi boni o obi odi papa o obi oye papa o nti se mi wu o papa mu a se mi wu a mi wu ye manwu because se mi ko wi obi ade ne etu mi tuo se mi wu a mi wu ye manwu because se mi ko wi obi ka na me ko nya accident se mi wu a mi wu ye manwu because se me ko fo obi de ne ebo mi bi akumi a but mi wu on the fact say na me fight ma me mind me soon me mind na me fight for changes, me fight for reforms, me fight for better life and a better system or me mind and nti akumi a I've died as a hero and heavens and ancestors will be proud of me. Said we are still proud of President Kwame Nkrumah. First President Kwame Nkrumah. Said we are still proud of him. No? I know our ancestors and heavenly they would be proud of me. Said me woo as a hero, me woo as a villain. Me woo as a hero, but me woo as a villain. manwu as a hypocrite, manwu as a selfish person, manwu as a greedy person, but I died as a selfish person. I died as a person who was fighting for social justice and equality. Nti yemu bi yensuro wo nti mo mfa wo ntwete ne yenti mo nkan no ntum oba so ahye video no yensuro wo share video no na ye man kofo no ma hye mo ba ye inbox mo nte se yensuro wo minum se de ma kan mo be san koso aba mo mo be so the death threat na ba mo so the messages na ba didi atema intimidate ye se mo pese mo shate ye na mo kan no to ba I'm telling you say ye mo bi yensuro wo because any die mo mampani na nado dan kwakufu ado tumi ekura no nyina echi leverages any access any advantages or why ye kan nyina so wonti no dakro opompo obewu nti se na nado bewu a mesusu mewu America mampani obewu obi abewu but the most important thing is die as a hero. Die as a hero. Share the lives of Martin Luther King, Malcolm X. Oman share anhu mo mpani fi no mu yo omu in their youthful age. The lives of America, the lives of John F. Kennedy, omu in their youthful age, but because they died as heroes. They didn't die as villains. Nti you be in say yempo say natural death from fire. We will die in one way or the other. But we will be proud to die as heroes. We would be proud to die as people that were fighting for the liberation of our country, than to be people that died as foolish people, than to be people that died as selfish people, than to be people that died as hypocrites because we were only thinking about our interest. And I need them with the greatest of respect, to you to know more reformers, and you to know more liberators, and economic fighters, and you to know more changes. Yes, Remo, you say you will bush them. You say you will bush them. Ghana will be a sick Jana Ghana, your dear. Jana Ghana, your papa, dear. Jana Ghana, your mamma, dear. Jana Ghana, your wafa, dear. Only be a dinner come on to know. Sad didn't in a Ghana bush, why I say. Sakasana, I can't Ghana, come on to Nedi in a Ghana, your dear. Come on to Nedi in a Ghana, your wafa, dear. Come on to shut up and eat. Nagana, your swadia, shut up and eat. Nagana, your inheritance, shut up and eat. Nagana, and your birthright. And your son said, my account Ghana, no tina Ghana into Muntumpono. Nti me mama busu na fati say me nye hypocrite. Me nye hypocrite. And I mean so we would be proud to die in abroad as people that were fighting for economic emancipation in Ghana than to die in abroad as people that were villains, that were selfish, and to die as people that were hypocrites. Nti any diema with the greatest of respect to all the freedom fighters in yebusu fight, yemusu ya dad demu. Yesrem eye mu krompa mote Ghana mo so na mama yaso mo nwie mo nti na ye ni abla ye fighting because e ka Ghana ya enka mo be jaya ya boye bla wabuchi na ka so mabo mo de Ghana because ablabo na mo bo Ghana bi na yesu ye bo wabuchi mo nti ne ye ablabo na mo bo Ghana na bi na yesu ye bo wabuchi se de mo nyina mo de ani bre ene ani eden ye aduma se mo peska na se de ani bre ne ani eden ye aduma se peska wabuchi ha nti de mo ye bi na yesu ye yo ha but once Ghana nyi nti no still na mo afade mo ye nyina ti mo san contact se mo hia mo nti ya pese making sure say samu ana da bia mu hia free ye ho no e bedu me bi na mo ankasa motimu nya opportunities ya e ma mo ankasa motimu nya mo ano se na bia mo ha ye bi nti na ni abla ye kasa no ti se mo se yen shut up na se yen kan no ntu mi se Ghana ye ti ebusuafo mo nja se mo frefre ye no mo nja se mo frefre mo nti sa se we yi pa ni die mu a with the greatest of respect to all Ghanaian families that have their citizens or their sons and daughters living in abroad, with the greatest of respect to all our families, with the greatest of respect to all Ghanaian families that have their citizens, their families, and their children and their daughters living in abroad. Se mo se Ghana yenti yen kan no ntumu dia eni mu nja se mo so amofra fe se mu nyesika. Se mo se Ghana work, Ghana hospitals ni okay, Ghana car kwan ni okay, Ghana schools ni okay. Ablabo ye good wo Ghana, sika wo Ghana manim, adwuma ye wo Ghana, bibia ye okay wo Ghana de esrem. Mo bra na mu nja ne yeso ye mo ye de. Because ye nim se haye ena ye ho nyinti no ne ania bra ye ha ye mfanto ho kasa se mpanifo no omunye Ghana te se ha ba mo si yen kan ntu because Ghana nye ye japade enye ye wofade ya nye papa ne dija enye mama ne dija enti yen kan ntu ne nya bia ye ni ne yen pe be ntina mo nyina mo ye selfish na mo kan obi ntina Ghana nti mo ntu mpon mo nyina mo ye selfish na mo kan obi ntina Ghana nti mo ntu mpon enti ye nti mo kan ntu ma ne ye ye nti mo kan no ntu ma ne ye because me hu de enti a wo te Ghana wo ye adwuma me so me ti abuchi a me so me ye adwuma adwuma krona ne ye nyina ye but me nya akatua chan nti wuti mo frɛ me say even though so ye adwuma so ju akatua but sense wo akatua nti wuti mo frɛ nya me ti abuchi say woni sɛ me de adwuma na be ma akatua ye nti no me mpɛ kakra san family wo ɛna me ma hu saa no Make us a yes, be a medebro and hamio. Anytime they have from will be, and I will not hold it. I will give it to you because one of my sponsor at the bar. In one word or other, maybe a young more than young pipe, but on the broader perspective, no, and I say in the greater purpose, no. And mamma said the bia na mo ye adwuma na mo katua nti mu so amofefre ya katua ye nti e be say fighting for equal opportunities I would do abuchira ha no say na be ya adwuma ye mu ye nya katua ye good no Ghana mpo say mu ntimo nya the same katua mu ntimo nya de ye equal to eno kakra na ma mo some respite and relief na ma ye etimo nya sundwe ne ho etimo to kakra na etimo hwe ye ne ye ma no ma no mo che abuchira nti na eni abra ye fighting no ti say mo si ye nkan no ntunu ye nya abuchira sha ye nhyɛ wo ne nkan no ntunu na ye ma ni ma ye ho a on ka se mo kyerɛ wo Sabi ani ba so e kwan bone so na nya de papa se nipa nyina ni ba ho e kwan bone so na nya de papa edume bi na the whole of Ghana na obi ani mata yi edume bi na the whole of Ghana na atayi na on na ye popular se de nya twini Jonas aye popular eduba bi na Ghana kwada kwa ya wo na nye oni mata yi na oye popular che obi a Ghana se de nya Jonas aye popular Ghana but na the fame and the popularity of atayi no what was it for na oye popular because na oye the notorious armed robber. Now, or you're popular because he was the most notorious armed robber in Ghana and in West Africa. Until now, or you're notorious or you're popular for the bad reason, for the evil reason. Until means a nini attention bow so our can bonus any evil you musu are any. But say any attention bow so because cannot because person you pay in a mutim said your wash say unyam. Any attention bow so because person will make sure say. Aduane awunya bia wudi ama wo hyehyɛ ye kama no wo pese wunua bia so ɔte hinya mu ɔte mmosiam ɛne mfuto munya bi dia minim sɛ ɔsoro heavens ancestors ɛne nananom nkrompo bɛbɔ ho ban because munim sɛ wo yade papa nti munja saade na ani bɛba wo sɛ na ka ba bia fi na bayi mo fa mo bayi mo nkura sɛ ne pe ba bi ntina mo bayi ne sɛ tumi wo mo amontim fa nya hyehyɛ pa Ghana mo fa sɛ mo nkura sɛ ne pe ba bi ntina we are tired of you not tie buche kanu to na ni ama what kind of mentality is that? What kind of African mentality is that? What kind of mentality is that? Na she na Africa dia be for ho na omo ye nyan na omo ni blood dia na ombeso reti ameme kwame me woni dia mema hu wo wiase meme kwame woni dia mema hu wo wiase woni nyema ma from as an individual. How many people na more life mo hu death say death will journal from so omo be embrace that? How many people? Do you know what I've gone through in life? Do you know where I've been to? Uni nyama ma famu wiase. Na wo de bayi be hunu na me se me nka ma no. Bayi eye talent e wa America. Me nim ba bi o mu hia yo mu meeting. Bayi me ti America me nim se ye talent. Me tima akotro ba bi o mu temple wo o mu ko hia ye meeting. O mu hu o mu so mo ye nkofo mu kura supernatural abilities. O mu de bu American development. O mu de power American technology. Bayi eye talent na wo te Ghana. Ebe yuso de no e de adi abode abese me kwame na me ye se ne ye yanka beti America me kwame ye se me ne ye yanka beti America woni de me mafa wo wiase biso mo mu ni no mo nka masem nkire woni de me mafa wo wiase nti mun ja sare na mo te Ghana mo ye no se ye mane se ye soro se ye kana kwa na ebusia fo so ma hye na mo so mo di mo hu jimbi na kan no tun na ni ba ho dodo na obi e kan asem na wo hwe me I'm telling you me bi enye ka odo. We've seen it all in life. Adie bi etimo to nipa etimo breaking nipa down bi afia wiase. Adie bi etu nipa abrabom etimo breaking nipa down intimo man so bi afia abrabom. Opa bobo di meka bi akere wo. Adie bi le betima to dasani. Ai be mana kana no to me betima breaking it down. E betima stop on the success bi am me kwa me bi ato me but me gusu am komani. What can be the worst of situation? Me betima bobo ni na akere wo but hia nya no ntina metia. Nti I'm telling you, sabi we ye bayfo na te Ghana fa bayi ni ma enye yi. So we ye bayfo na te Ghana fa bayi no ma enye yi. So we ye bayfo na sa te Ghana fa bayi ye nhyese pa ofie ho. Na fie ho mlante na ma ye ntimu nya aduma nye no mo nyimu ntimu mra nyam. Fa bayi ne bu amaya no munya aware fa bayi ne bu amlante no mo kwa aware na aware ne gu fa bayi ne bu no munjai nkras se na mo to mo bayi di no. Na be ka che me kwa me se me man kama no ntuma me fie bayfo ni beba me so me. Na me suro bayi. Me kwa me suro bayi. Mimi ti kroma me ni abenfo ndete ye ne omo ne ye adwuma na wo de ba ye behunu na me kwame se me mani abra me kuma me man se nhye pa mra me man mu na me man ntim ntum se me nkama no to because abaifo bi kuma me kwame na bosom no antoanya mane ya pape no nkrampo anana no de omubo efre from de omubo edua no omo ankasa tena se omo di ase ne ohun mo se mlante na ekon okonpa nti ya ankasa nananom ne asase ya ebe kon mlante nti wo abesore ti mlante dia ya asase ya ne nananom ya besore ti awo se nipa no na bayi on ye kurasi ni ye can to me na ono ne de kompo nu ba bia because I just a mere talent and Africa ne yintimo manage ne yintimo package ne ye and the mentality nya be se bayi de mu di abro nti mo koso de mu di abro nti ani di ma with the greatest of respect to my family me bumo with the greatest of respect to my family said you be entin fa ne sabi nkum enchire na jakuru no me ntimo fa me sabi nkum enchire mabusunya da but I'm telling you say abusunya I'm not coward me nye coward. I'm telling you, as an individual, it tells me that nothing can kill me. I will only die in my natural death. Yes, I'm telling you. Mahu owo twice. Mahu owo twice. Oh, wo catch him say me dear reward binti me hu di enti me koso trans bi wa me nkum ho. Mahu owo twice. Because I was going through pains. Nobody was there for me. Nobody, absolutely nobody. I looked left, right, center, up and down. Nobody was there for me. Nobody was talking for me. Nobody was consoling me. I was there alone. I nearly took my life because I thought I need to end it all. It is not worth it to keep on living. But I got the inner and intrinsic motivation for myself. Until I always fight with death, and I make sure death will go away until naturally my time comes. Nti me wo ye bay for na se otimi fi ya munja nkura sese na modi bayi na di ofie for all this year munja se nkura sese no munja se nkura se modi bayi ni di no na wo bayi won timan stop me from Ghana se me ba America ma be du America wi na de bayi ne betata modi se bi se ya na madwen wo fo modi bayi no am boti Ghana modi di aboma ye kuru na tantan ya nya bless ye fight for liberation no won timan fa bayi ne nkumi Ghana ho won timan fa bayi na an get me stuck in Ghana ma be du America wi na de bayi ne betata mo se mo wuli nkura se fo nti no bayi ne mutin de ba humu America nya mutin de ba humu mutin ba America humu mutin de bayi ne ba America humu ba sa bayi ko na intimu nsisi better intimu construct better rules sa bayi ko na intimu what the Ghanaian economy sa bayi ko na intimu mo yere na mo ba de mu din na se mu didi aboro odi o ye bayi fo na ye kurasi ni na se wo pe on timely therefore try me kwa me na hade I'm telling you, I'm throwing a challenge. We are by for now you kurasini. Nasa ope say we meet on timely death. Try me come na hade. We are by nasa also to mabusium. Nasa also you bay for ukradjem money. Ubenyanka Ghana and say because you nipa bonny a brona mubi mudi wabusium no. Mudi wabusium no. And then a greater part now refer to Ghana ina. A brona yabusium no mpany for bi mudi wabusium. Abro na yebusunyam panimfo bi mu di wabusunyam abro na yenuenum bi ne ye ofo no bi no ne addition bi di wabusunyam no eno na on the greater perspective no I reflect with the whole of Ghana no nti within the traditional family no ya abro ho person nkum ya ho ani bre ho adidija ho selfishness ho and on the greater part no I reflect with the whole Ghanaian economy no I reflect on the whole Ghanaian community no nti the course no is nothing different the course of Ghana is nothing different because said you sit here ewo asona abusuamu se de esitie wa dua na abusuamu se de esitie wa ko na abusuamu saa na ye tie se Ghana fo nyina nti ye nibre otanhu yaudie aprapriye pese ninkum nya na ntini twitwa ne saa ne ma na ye de tewo ye papa no abusuamu ye de tewo ye maame no abusuamu ye de tewo ye wofa abusuamu no saa ye de abetena wo Ghana saa ne ye de te se Ghana fo nti na Ghana ntimu ntumpo no enunti na Ghana ntimu ntumpo no nti o kasa they say come on tum na Ghana o papa on fanja o say japade wona be fight ma Ghana Kwame Nkrumah point man fight ade Ghana wona bit ma fight ade Ghana twa dwen we de bibinitim ana dwen we de bibinitim a e bit metumpon Kwame Nkrumah point man je Ghana Kwame Nkrumah point man liberate Ghana na wona bit ma je Ghana o kasa na he na be kwakodu we waste time we waste voice come on tum didi wenya ba bia hunta pa bi na hye na bo nwa hunta fa hu sie wenya buchira kwatena wa eno ano no na didi selfishness in kwa selfishness in kwa ye ka say na selfishness ntu nya bi dia kama no tum unya ba bi hye na wudidi a didi kole make sure so bi ehu se wudidi unya ba bi tena ho kwa tena ho fa ho ba hunta mo obi ama won chan ntu ba buchira asa na Ghana 40 oba buchira asa na Ghana 40 oba buchira asa na Ghana 40 adwuma bi na ono nko wo mu se Ghana ni na adwuma ni tua gu do mu pay ya obi make sure se Ghana ni bi on kan kire oda adwuma bi wa America na bi America say omu pay e good chan adwuma wo ye anko betime di won koma kire wo say bi ni nua Ghana ni no on kan kire wo da Ghana ni on kan kire wo da ti be bia ye bia bro sa e na Ghana ikuso ayi say nti yarofo campaign no, it's never gonna die today and it's never gonna die tomorrow. Until light no, you go so yes on the fire, you go so you true. It will just go until we see changes in Ghana. Yebeko swakasa until we see changes in Ghana. A back credit and also being put a gun pointed to what? Will be the gun loaded with bullets pointed to us. A young cannon to yes be shoot you. We would be proud to die as heroes. We would be proud to die as people that were speaking the truth. We would be proud to die on the truth than to die on lies and falsehood. Young person die as selfish people. We want to die as selfless people. Whether you like it or not, life, you cannot escape the death of life. But I'm telling you, me natural death will be in Timon Katem life untimely. Will be any. I'm telling you, the Ghanaian government cannot, armed robbers cannot, Ghanaian witches and wizards and whatsoever. You cannot do anything. I'm telling you, you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. Timon make sure saying you know everything matnas and India and the Dania could do it my GM and Gannett to see my Shagan here. Until the Ghanaian celebrities in the Pamacho. We are begging you, the Ghanaian celebrities. Say, man, sorry. No one can be a my Mama Taichi. Am I a voice in one you do? I'm any abana and Casasa Ghana saying to one on your ship or Ghana. Yen are you follow more among my celebrities? Your best chassis and I own follow. Yen are you follow more my celebrities? Your pajama demosis are platforms. Among my voice, someone Casama voiceless. Moving your speech be so bit my speaking among you speechless. Se mo se mo nkasa na mbehwe mo yefunu nkwa na mo busua fo nkwa na mo pese mo remain neutral na mo didi wo ha we will start on following you na ma hwese sa popularity na this akonya na brem mo se bitima ka bi o wiase a na mo so mo se Ghana ye enti yen kan no ntu ne yan hyate apo se mo ye mo adwen se mo ba America ba be wo a wo ye politician ayo wo ye adwen se ba America ba be wo wo ye politician aso ye adwen se do ma e be school America wo ni se better schools for America ka do ma be school se better schools for Ghana ka do ma e be school America into a beshas and yard to any meaning in a down. You know to be a politician be Eden and ma Everton. We will meet you at the airport with placards near Piegu. So go back home. We a politician, we a member of parliament. Go back home and build Ghana. Go back home and build Ghana. Go back home and build better schools now. Ope Biama or Ma Ohana. Go back home and build that same school. Say hospital, I bet Piegu placards national the Shell airport. Mr. MP, Mr. Minister, Mr. Vice President, Mr. President. Ghanaian celebrities, go back home to build a better hospital so that you will stop coming to hospital here. Go back home to build a better school so that you stop coming to school here. You stop taking your children to school here. Go back home to go and construct good roads. Senebeya ubejasu kanaba edo kasa be fa ka papa so no. Nti campaign yi nja ene. Nja china e fie kompo na e start na de die kira yeba na ye de ya kese mi gusu ameti abe kan bi kiro. Nti chief for medamo nyina mase. The big time about we Obadi inside yan hwe so my ahode no my nka omo ade e die ntimo nkoso omo ye ni so adi hu nyina ntimo mremu omo ye kukudu ni ahode ne omo ye nsuro owuo ade a opo wumpo e beba de usrai. Death is inevitable. Death is inevitable. Upewu ubewu upewu ubewu. But some of us, we know say we will die our natural death. We will die our natural death. Nobody can kill us untimely. Your purpose, your divine purpose, with your goals and raising to our body, the creator out of his own wisdom. Eddie about we are saying, young fulfill your being to Munko Yen. Timu be on him now. Nyakuku do never be at the ashes, says all kind of cray. Ye Jumaden, not trust it, one castle inner ability side, a body at the amount, Nakoso Kuku, not the able to be an intimate kuma, a bit my sword. Unyanko points on shells. Say there be a mechano, Yakosu a super from where the cost create awareness respectfully. Yen Casentia Penibia, yen Nipiatem, yen your Hinibiatem, yen position biatem, and yes, I don't want to tell you. Ye platform where yen you find yes, I didn't, yen you so and find those who be our yes, and at yen tolerate will be your person with the penny for us, him for them. Ye Pessi in I say, Pessi, a cost of Eka you to the boom, ye cost of sorry one more demo, ye cost of sorry, Yan Sam, ye Timo Casa, or Boo Council, any need council, etc. and penny for saying penny for more to show. What it is so until I take from no, say a catch him say or black near how near many now from Hamon Tiaki, become what it is so. Say it do and can more than can you Monte, who the amount that air conditioning to moon. Yea, in Nanka, one saw potholes, man who was not more for flight from a credit to Martin Moon, and what's your plight, and I say, T.S. any day my macho, Monia Gana ye by. I say, can't come out so much and fire and pass as a monko, Casatin Toponco, if I use to go to Moja Monia. Yes, we are fire margin in India, everything dances I Abagana will be at Minyamoto. Meaning, share video, no, because they make we are creating awareness. We want to reach out to the youth as much as possible. Near also train you to be out there, but in political parties now here fighting more. We should stand as Ghanaian first. We should stand as Ghanaian first. Before MPP and this, no, Ghana was there. Before MPP and this, we were Ghanaian first. So let's fight for Ghana. Let's fight for Mother Ghana. So, loyalty here. Let it be towards your country. Let it be towards your motherland. Don't give your loyalty to a political party. Don't give your loyalty to a politician. Give your loyalty to your country. If your country succeed, you will succeed. But if a politician succeed, you will keep on being impoverished. If your country succeed, you will succeed. But if a politician succeed, you will still be in the impoverished situation. So let's support our country. Let's die for our country. Let's give our strength and commitment to our country. Let's give our loyalty to our country. Let's be bold enough to speak truth to power. So I be able to lead to massive changes and transformations in our country. So they make kind of voice biara ye ba ho a undivided no mutimo achieve results. Oko Bible mo oko the book of Genesis. I don't know, say Genesis chapter 11. Oko Genesis chapter it's either Genesis chapter 11. I know it is Genesis chapter 11. Akwabi soro Bible man ye fe ni Nimrod. Akwabi osoro Bible man ye fe ni Nimrod. Say in Genesis chapter 11 check it the subsequent chapters na had ye fe ni Nimrod. Nimrod onu ne nkofo nyina ye madwen say umbesi tower. They will build a tower in the city of Babel. So they are going to build a tower from the city of Babel so that the height of the tower can reach the heavens. They will build a tower in the city of Babel so that the height of the tower can reach the heavens. I'm telling you, these people started building the tower. They started building the tower. They started building it because they were united together. They were speaking one language. They were speaking one language. They were united together. They were doing everything together. There was no separation within them. There was no misunderstanding within them. There was no dissension between them. They were united. They were uniformed. And they were fighting and targeting towards the core and the goal. That is building into the heavens. And these people were building. And their commitment and determination, uniformity and oneness, a call heavens, and my heavens, and your meetings. And no, these people are united together. These people have determined and persevered to build this tower. So until we descend downwards to their level, to infiltrate their language, to infiltrate their communication, to try to create confusion within their communication, these people will achieve their goal. Until a child will say, the moment people stand together, the moment people unite together, heavens in the bit must stop war. Politicians cannot stop them. Judges cannot stop them. Members of parliament cannot stop them. Legislature cannot stop them. It will take the heavens to stop people that have one voice, to stop people that are fighting towards one goal, to stop people that are speaking one language. Until Omu descended down, heavens it descended down, and Omu infiltrated the language of the Babel people. No, until we can Ghana, we so can Kasa, we can Ibe Kasa, now we so can Brofo, we so can French, and we so can Spanish. Until confusion, see Temu Data or this. Sa confusion, sa tactics, no, and our politicians and they use in net edu unimuntia. The same tactics, and our politicians no use in net edu boomine. Baby could be the same tactics. Oba America the same tactics. Oba Ghana, Africa, baby Nigeria the same tactics. Confuse their communication, infiltrate their communication, use that as a leverage to create disunity, use that as a leverage to create dissension, and whatever they are targeting to do, they cannot do it because they are not united. They are not uniformed. The same tactics. Until we be yenim. And when no masha see youth no, and they fighting against ourselves. Into where most of the fighter are fighting. And your politicians need to at him where young Casa Yanum Lantan and Maya need at him. Yam Lantan and Maya say you tomorrow near net tea fighting for them. A son of one I have to say a fighting on one idiot him. On one a fighting must have politicians, no more bomb from you, Edio Musika, and to talk as I can say the Giomo girls, no Musumunya heartbreaking. As I you to run a fighting bomb and say, Emma Sahin for Musayin so the politicians. Timinium share video no. And idioma share video no. Share video no. Now you make sure we can reach out to the youth who is out there. Send a bit my chin be a drenyaba. Yin yet my back when yet my fight towards a common goal. Nya say or so in Sanema Meboya. Timisro in I uncle Sunya Bacon. Na my Ghana do. And Tnaya Kumunchen BBA. We were Ghanaian first before MPP and NDC. Ghana was there before MPP and NDC. So let's fight for Ghana. Let's fight for Ghana. Even before Yabusunya, Ghana was there. Before Yabusunya, Ghana was there. Until we are Ghanaians first before our family. We are Ghanaians first before our family. Mind you, sending me timber be story building Emma Mabusunya for Ghana. Now say the economic situation in Ghana is still hard, it's still unbearable. So how mansion no any story build na be shema mabusia for no and robbers be infiltrated. It's wisdom. Say me ignore Ghana, na me neglect the air cost of Ghana. Na me yes selfish, na me ka say me dey say me tima bo mabusia for nti Ghana for the enkoso mle, me tima kasa na nkasa ya ba me nkasa. Sa story building no any mansion na be shema mabusia for no. E sunset Ghana aye dey nti be ma mlante na ye and robbers aba attack me ma me papa na mabusia for mo te ho. So na so wadwemo do a fight for woman because it is in the prosperity of your nation, it is in the peace of your nation that you can also have your peace and your prosperity. Unyankopon nhira ye nyina wonhwe yen so share video no ba ye mia share obi bisa me say share na de be netimo ye de share netimo ye na say ye nia no mrante na ye pese ye twe mu nyina on board na ye fight for economic success no share na be ma video na komo nchen no mu nyina anya access to ye nyina ye timo ya dwemo timo da ho ne ye timo fight ye timo de na share nyankopon nhira so be share na be koso check me out on YouTube. Yes, said you can if you check that is one of mine. Yes, that is one of mine. My clients, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Juma Hospital, that's one of our clients. Said you can Ubitim follow me on YouTube because most of the video me and don't also prefer YouTube. So the video in the background your platform or YouTube they promote to. So this youth activism, no. Yeah, per se promote youth activism. And then land tell don't so my frustrated on person with to come back with you. Yeah, build a channel on YouTube where they help us uncle for you. Till YouTube now US and Crater TV. Will be channel no. YouTube. Now US and Crater TV will be channel. And Tinako is saying now here so my day be antimoncoso. Or more and again into Tumpone and working mammy no in Japan to your country to do a banner frustrated. Nobody is saying share the video, share the video. You are blessed, stay safe. I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Thank you.